So now that we've done the tail light, we've got to change all the indicator globes to these globes. We push and twist, push and twist. And put the new one in. Push and twist. Oh, you go
the other way, aren't you?
No, I went that way in the first place.
To undo it, and you've got to go the opposite way to do it up.
Doesn't want to twist it far enough. So we found an issue with the new globes. We don't think it's going in far enough. It should. To twist on. So these aren't fitting. So you're supposed to push it in and twist, but it doesn't stay. You can't push it in any further for it to fit. No, it just won't work. So we're going to have to go back to the drawing board on this one and go to the company and see if we got the right one. But they look exactly the same. But I think this one goes in a bit further because it's clear. Like the neck is longer. If I can get it back in. There we go. But this one's shorter. I think it stops too short for it to clip in. The neck's not long enough. I will get back to you on this one. Put this back on and just clip it on. Alright, today we're going to put the new indicator lights in. Remember we got a set a while back. I'll put the link to the video below, and we had to get them replaced because they didn't fit. So these are the ones we've got to replace. Alright, let's have a look in the box. I've already kind of had a look at these. Now, look at that. You're fucking awesome. Thank you for trusting Hog Lights to keep you lit up and safe during your rides. Very good. And this is what they look like. So they've actually got a bit of a handle. Look at all those LED lights. Wow. Alright. Let's go put them in. Let's go do that. I need a screwdriver, flathead to get the lenses off. Okay, I'm going to take the lens off here. Just got to find a little groove and just put that in and twist. It comes off. And take the old one out and see how this fits. Put the lens back on. Alright, turn the indicator on. Oh look, it's working perfectly. Look at that. Perfect. Cool. I love it.
Alright, let's do the others.
Let's do the other one now.
Turn your bike off.
Do the other one. Oh. Bringing it up higher, good idea. Good idea, Smithy. Well, they go in much better than those other ones.
Yeah. Wind it round so the wires get tighter.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's two in. Let's see if that works. Do a check. Oh, you gotta have the fob. This one on. Hey, it's working. Woohoo! All right. They look cool. Turn that off. We'll do the front ones now. Okay, let's have a look at these front ones. You're fucking awesome. Can you see me now? Asshole. Hoglights.com.au. That's where they've come from. Got a sticker to put on the... Let's put this sticker up on here. Got lots of stickers. Let's see if we can find a spot. There. Beautiful. Look at that. Looks awesome. Brilliant sticker. Stickers on. Okay, we got the front ones to do now. All right. Let's have a look at the front ones. Well, it's time to get off and get on with the Take this one out.
So they don't get water trapped in them.
Okay. It's in. That's in. Yeah.
Yep. Where your hole is.
Yeah, it's down the bottom.
Good. Not going anywhere.
Next one. Take that one off. Take that one out.
Easiest installation there is.
Oh, I know. Stick that in there. Put that on there. Spin that around a bit so that's down the bottom. There we go, we're on. Yeah, we're on. Okay, done. I need that. Let's test it. Time to test. And we have, yes, it's working. Success. That one's working. Now try the other side. Yep, looks cool.
Right, now follow your instructions. We're sinking the CAN bus.
Right, the hazards are working. Apparently if you turn the bike off, it still goes. Turn that off. And the hazards are still flashing, yes. Very good.
Still flashing in sync.
Yep. Looks good.
Awesome. Not too hard, the bike. Not too hard, the bike works it out.
Yeah. Very good. All right, that's the lights done. Now it's time for a ride. Woohoo!
Hey, let's get the bike off the lift.
Do you want the stand up? Do you want a hand?
Yeah, stand on it, sweetheart.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. One, two, three.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, it doesn't want to go down. Let me try the other foot. Go the other way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. We're stuck. Ready?
You're not getting any weight on it.
I am. You're stopping and not pulling.
1, 2, 3, go. Swap places.
I won't be able to do that.
Alright.
I won't be able to lift it. You ready? Try again. I put a lot of weight on it.
Alright, ready? 2, 3, go.
My foot got stuck.
It's in fucking neutral, isn't it? You must have stood on it. So I turned it off in gear. That's why we couldn't move it.
Ah,
Alright, now let's get the bike off this lift.
that's better. That'll be a good video. Trying to get the bike off lift when it's in gear.
Well, you can edit it.
Yeah. Jason's little red hot chili pepper. Whee! Go backwards.
Alright, Susie, you're clear.
Sun, throttle open, here I run. Blacktop hums beneath my wheels, chasing dreams that feel so real. Bright skies call my name today, Newcastle whispers come and play. We are the riders running free, humming tales of destiny, memories gained in every mile. Identity biker, doing it in style. Hunter's breath, the asphalt white, wheels of steel where dreams collide. Freedom rolls beneath my boots, in the wind we find our truth. We are the riders running free, tales on the road, our destiny.
Things to
Where are
different
you
people.
going?
Well, I was going nowhere, but the car in front of me just stopped.
Are we going to go into Newcastle?
Yeah. We get to see Susie's indicators now.
Woohoo! Working all right.
Yeah, LED indicators go with the LED tail light. If you're
Beautiful.
interested in getting any of this LED stuff, LED lights, and you live in Australia, you want to go to Hog Lights Australia, because Nathan will look after you, and you can see his website, and if you've got any questions, just hit him up and he'll make sure he's got the right stuff for you. If you live in America, God bless you, you have a bunch of different places you can go to. We basically have Hog Lights for lights, and then any other bits. We have Rolly Speed Shop up in Queensland. We also have Easy As, or Easy R, which is in Western Australia. We bring in a lot of stuff. And if you know any other Harley accessory, Harley accessory distribution places, stick them in the comments below, because we don't get much in Australia. We got to order it from the States.
Do you want to get up in front again?
You want me to?
Yeah, I'll move over and you come through. Well, this is where I'll end this video for now. My indicator lights work very well. I'm very pleased with them. They look excellent. So remember, life's short. Get on your bike and ride. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe on those roads. See you on the next one. Full video of this ride will be out soon. Keep your eye out for that one.